Hi, this is Vishnu Chandra Pandey, Technical Marketing Engineer with SonicWall, and today we are going to discuss how you can protect your endpoints against vulnerable application leveraging Capture Client Application Vulnerability Intelligence feature. Vulnerability assessment is a crucial part of the IT risk lifecycle management. It helps in protecting systems and data from unauthorized access and breaches. If there's no system to track it, the administrator can lack visibility on what vulnerabilities the endpoints may be exposed because of obsolete or unauthorized applications running on it. That in turn causes a delay in patching applications that can risk the end user and compromise sensitive data on the machine. Capture Client Application Vulnerability Intelligence addresses that issue. It gives the administrator the ability to catalog every application on each protected endpoint and risk associated with it. The risk is based on the presence of any known vulnerabilities with details of the CVE and severity levels reported for that version, giving the administrator actionable intelligence and prioritize patching and reduce the attack surface on the endpoint. Let us see how that works in real world. Navigate to captureclient.sonicwall.com and log in with your MySonicWall credentials. After successful login, you will land on Capture Client Management Console dashboard, a single pane of glass to manage your endpoints. With Capture Client 3.0, we've introduced Application Vulnerability Intelligence that allows you to gain visibility of the applications that are being installed on the managed endpoints, and any vulnerable applications will be identified and flagged for appropriate action to be taken on them. Now let us see a real-world example. A user needs to watch a video. He downloads VLC Media Player to view the content and install the same on the endpoint. As you can see, it is an old version that the user has installed without the knowledge that it can be vulnerable. On Capture Client Console, the admin will be alerted and the information will be flagged under Vulnerable Apps with the endpoint information along with the date and time of the install. Details of the vulnerability can be seen by clicking on the View icon for further CVE information accessed by clicking the CVE vulnerability, and the details for the fix on the MITRE database. On the managed endpoint, the administrator can see the details of not only the vulnerable application but other installed applications for a better visibility and tracking. Once a vulnerable application is identified, based on the organization's policy, the user can be alerted to update the application, or the administrator can uninstall the vulnerable application as a patching fix. Once the application is removed from the endpoint, the Capture Client dashboard will be updated for the admin to review. With the addition of Capture Client Application Vulnerability Intelligence with a part of a 3.0 release, the security posture of the endpoint can be maintained and prevent the user to get exploited against growing threats and attacks. I hope this was informative. Please visit our product page for more information and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest videos.